Hi, I'm David Thomas. I'm one of the studio managers working to bring audiences back to BBC comedy shows during the COVID-19 pandemic. From your point of view, there are two things you need to do. First, you'll need to connect to a system called Clean Feed on your home computer, which we use to listen to and record your laughter. And secondly, you need to connect to a Zoom webinar so you can hear, and in some cases see, the acts in the show. Right, let's first set up your computer so we can hear you. This video is for Apple Mac users. There's also a Windows version of this video, so have a look at that one if you're a Windows user. For us to be able to access the microphone, we need to use the Google Chrome browser. If you don't already have it, then open up your regular browser and type download Chrome into Google. I always choose to click on the link that's not an ad, just in case it takes me to the wrong place. It should take you to a page like this, and you should now click on the Download Chrome button. This begins downloading the file into your Downloads folder. The quickest way to find that is to click on the button towards the top right of your browser window with a down arrow. You should see a blue line indicating that Chrome is downloading. If you click on the button, and then on the magnifying glass next to googlechrome.dmg, it will enable you to see the file in your Downloads folder. Once it's downloaded, you should double-click on the file called googlechrome.dmg, and you should get a small screen that says Verifying, and after a few seconds, you'll get this image on your screen. Click and hold the red, yellow and green circle, then drag it on top of the folder with the letter A in. This represents your computer's Applications folder. Now double-click on the Applications folder and then double-click Google Chrome. It will ask you if you want it to be the default browser. Say yes for now. When you finish listening to the show, you can open up your regular browser, and when it asks for that to be the default, say yes again and you'll be all back to normal. Now you need to find the email that you should have received from the Audience Services team. It probably won't look exactly like this, but there'll be a link to connect to Clean Feed. Click on this and you'll be connected into our system. Don't forget to mute the loudspeakers on your computer. On a Mac these days, the button is at the top of your keyboard towards the right-hand side, F10. That's all you need to do on your computer. On your phone, you need to install the Zoom app. This will show up as Zoom Cloud Meetings on either the iOS App Store or one of the app stores for Android. Find the email again from Audience Services on your phone this time and click the Zoom link. You'll need to register with a name and email address, but once you click OK, you'll be connected here too. It's essential that you listen on headphones to the webinar and not loudspeakers, as if you have loudspeakers on, the sound will come back down the line and the panellists will hear themselves about a second after they speak, which is extremely distracting. You also need to make sure that the loudspeakers on your computer are turned off for the same reason. At the end of the session, just quit the apps on your phone and computer. Open up your normal browser. When it asks you if you want that to be the default, say yes and you're all done. Thanks for watching and enjoy the show.